Wow, 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 wow. Nature is always a rewarder. When we take good care of it, it rewards us with beautiful, beautiful things to always look at each and every day. That's why I always take care of it. You can see, guys, these beautiful, beautiful flowers. It really amazes me how God's mind is so creative. And even us, we are given that capability of becoming so creative in this world. You can see the way God has put all these things together, and it is so amazing to always watch every day when you wake up or when you are in the home. Beautiful art there. Nature is always a rewarder. Let's take care of our nature, guys, and God will always be so happy when He watches from heavens. And in return, we all become so very happy living on this earth. You put a little seed in the soil and you just wonder how it multiplies. Wow, this is so amazing. You can see my capsicum have already germinated from... I just put it in the soil yesterday and it is really doing well, guys. You can see this is day 1 in the soil because I had already germinated it in the fridge, and it is so amazing. It is doing really well. You do your work of planting and you leave everything else to God. And this is how amazing He is. He always multiplies and rewards the works of our hands.